this is a miracle that happened today. When I received the call from you guys, was like, this is a game changer for us. We haven't been able to reach so many communities because it's like the roads or the weather conditions or many hours and no hours, days of driving or hiking, and this is changing everything. Thanks to you guys, we're going to be able to reach communities that haven't been reached yet with medicine, clean water, clothes, food supplies. So this is amazing. Thank you so much.
My family is safe, but we work in group. The family group from is like one family. That's why very sad and worried. Yeah.